This is iPhone 13 Pro Max. Its Face ID can't be recognized. Power off the phone and remove the screen. Affix with insulated tape to protect the front camera and infrared camera. Remove the flat cable. Detect it with V1S, V1SE, Pro 1000S. Detection result displayed as abnormal. Save the original flat cable data. Cut the iron frame according to the marked position. Heating for about 10 seconds by air gun in 200 degrees Celsius. Take down the iron frame. Remove the original chip. Soldering the converted FPC. Using air gun to heating it in 250 degrees Celsius until it can rebound when stirred by a tweezer. Add soldering flux. Find the location of foot 1. Soldering the chip. Using air gun to heating it in 250 degrees Celsius until it can rebound when stirred by a tweezer. Detect the flat cable. Detection result displayed as normal. Write the original flat cable data. Put the flat cable back into the iron sheet. Add glue. Soldering. Fix the flat cable into the mobile phone. Power on the mobile phone. Turn on the front camera and shift into portrait mode, making sure if the natural light is normal or not. Setting up the Face ID. Input data shows in normal. Lock screen. Press the power on button. We can see it was unlocked successfully through Face ID.